I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You will power on the Osmo 4 and begin pairing right away. First, charge and power the gimbal, then open the DJI Mimo app you installed from Google Play. Grant Bluetooth and location permissions so scanning works. Next, magnetically attach your Android and make sure the phone remains unlocked so the app can finish device discovery. Once done, the app will show the Osmo 4 in the device list. Tap to start pairing and move to the connection steps. Now complete Bluetooth pairing and any required device authorization. After tapping the Osmo 4 in DJI Mimo, accept the Bluetooth pairing dialog on your Android and confirm any prompts displayed on the gimbal or in the app. Make sure to allow the app to access storage and camera so features work correctly. If a firmware update appears, perform it only on a stable Wi-Fi network and with both devices above 40% battery. Updates finalize the secure connection and unlock full functionality. Finish by calibrating the Osmo 4 in DJI Mimo and testing stabilization with a short recording. Once calibration completes, confirm all motion modes respond and the camera feed is steady. If connection fails, reboot both phone and gimbal, reopen the app and retry pairing. That resolves most temporary issues. One key troubleshooting tip. If pairing still fails, clear your Android Bluetooth cache and storage for DJI Mimo. Then repair. This removes stale profiles and usually fixes persistent connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.